You work hard for your money, right? Day in and day out, you dedicate your time, energy, and skills to earn a living. Whether you're clocking in at an office, running your own business, or freelancing, the effort you put in is immense. But have you ever stopped to think about how your money could work just as hard for you? But did you know that money can work for you too? Yes, that's right. Your hard-earned cash doesn't have to just sit idly in a savings account. It can be put to work, growing and multiplying over time. This is where the concept of investing comes into play. Investing is not just for the wealthy or the financial experts, it's for anyone who wants to see their money grow. That's the magic of investing. When you invest, you're essentially putting your money into various financial instruments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, with the expectation that it will generate a return over time. The stock market, for instance, offers a plethora of opportunities for your money to grow. With the advent of technology, investing has become more accessible than ever. You can now monitor and manage your investments right from your smartphone. It's like planting a seed that grows into a money tree. Imagine planting a small seed today and watching it grow into a towering tree laden with fruits. That's what investing does for your finances. It starts small, but with time and the right conditions, it can grow into something substantial. The key is to be patient and consistent. Investing is your ticket to financial freedom. Financial freedom means having enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family. It means growing your wealth to the point where you can live comfortably without worrying about money. By investing wisely, you can achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, funding your children's education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. It helps you build wealth over time, even while you sleep. Forget about just saving. While saving is important, it often isn't enough to keep up with inflation and rising costs of living. Investing, on the other hand, has the potential to outpace inflation and grow your wealth significantly. Imagine earning money while you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with loved ones. That's the power of investing. Investing is where the real action is. Early investing is key. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. The longer your money is invested, the more it can benefit from the power of compounding. Compounding is the process where the returns on your investments start generating their own returns. It's like a snowball effect, where your money grows exponentially over time. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compounding is like magic. Think of it as interest on interest. When you reinvest your earnings, you earn returns not just on your original investment, but also on the returns that investment has already generated. This can lead to substantial growth over the long term. The key is to start as early as possible and to be consistent with your investments. Your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. It's a virtuous cycle that can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. By making regular investments and allowing them to grow, you can build a substantial financial cushion. This can provide you with peace of mind and financial security, knowing that your money is working hard for you. So, are you ready to make your money work as hard as you do? Let's dive in. The world of investing may seem complex and intimidating at first, but with the right knowledge and tools, anyone can become a successful investor. Start by educating yourself, setting clear financial goals, and creating a diversified investment portfolio. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. So take that step today and start investing in your future. Before you jump into the world of investing, let's learn the basics. Investing can seem daunting at first, but with a solid understanding of the fundamentals, you can navigate the financial markets with confidence. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save for retirement, or achieve other financial goals, knowing where to start is crucial. Think of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds as the building blocks of your investment portfolio. Each of these investment types has its own characteristics, risks, and benefits. By understanding how they work, you can create a balanced and diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. It's like owning a tiny slice of your favorite pizza place. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and as a shareholder, you have a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. The value of your stock can increase if the company performs well, but it can also decrease if the company faces challenges. Stocks can be volatile, but they offer the potential for high returns. The stock market can experience significant fluctuations in short periods, influenced by various factors such as economic conditions, company performance, and investor sentiment. While this volatility can be nerve-wracking, it also presents opportunities for substantial gains if you invest wisely and stay informed about market trends. Bonds. Bonds are like loans you give to the government or a company. When you purchase a bond, you are essentially lending money to the issuer in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the bond's face value when it matures. Bonds are considered fixed income securities because they provide regular interest payments, making them a more stable investment compared to stocks. They're generally less risky than stocks and provide a steady stream of income. Bonds are often used to balance the risk in an investment portfolio as they tend to be less affected by market volatility. However, it's important to note that bonds are not entirely risk-free. Factors such as interest rate changes and credit risk can impact their value. Mutual funds. Don't want to put all your eggs in one basket? Diversification is a key principle in investing, and mutual funds offer an excellent way to achieve it. By spreading your investments across various assets, you can reduce the risk of significant losses if one particular investment performs poorly. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This collective investment approach allows individual investors to access a broader range of securities than they might be able to purchase on their own. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on behalf of the investors, aiming to achieve the fund's objectives. Understanding these basic investment types will help you make informed decisions as you build your portfolio. By combining stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, you can create a well-rounded investment strategy that balances risk and reward. Remember, investing is a long-term journey, and staying educated about your options is key to achieving your financial goals. So take the time to learn, seek advice from financial professionals, and start building your investment portfolio today. Investing without goals is like sailing without a destination. Imagine being on a boat in the vast ocean with no idea where you're headed. The waves might take you somewhere, but it's unlikely to be where you truly want to go. You might end up somewhere, but it probably won't be where you wanted to go. This is why having clear financial goals is crucial. Without them, you risk feeling lost and disappointed, much like a boat stranded on a deserted shore. Before you start investing, take some time to define your financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term and the long term. Are you looking to build an emergency fund, save for a major purchase, or secure your financial future? Are you saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement? These are significant milestones that require careful planning and dedicated saving. Meeting with a financial advisor can help you outline these goals clearly. Want to travel the world? Maybe you dream of exploring exotic locations and experiencing different cultures. Setting a financial goal for travel can make these dreams a reality. Write down your goals and how much you need to save to achieve them. Use tools like budgeting apps to track your progress and stay on course. This step is essential because it transforms your dreams into actionable plans. This will give you a clear roadmap for your investment journey. Just like a map guides a traveler, a well-defined financial plan will guide your investments, helping you stay focused and on track. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you turn your wishes into reality. Regularly review and adjust your plan to ensure you're moving in the right direction. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Each step you take towards your financial goals is a victory. Share your progress with friends and family to stay motivated and accountable. Educate yourself continuously. Attend financial workshops, read books, and stay informed about the latest investment strategies. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This ensures that you're consistently working towards your goals without having to think about it every month. Seek advice from mentors and financial experts. They can provide valuable insights and help you navigate complex financial decisions. Regularly update your financial goals to reflect changes in your life and priorities. Ultimately, setting and achieving financial goals gives you control over your future. It allows you to live the life you've always dreamed of, whether that means financial security, freedom to travel, or the ability to retire comfortably. Visualize your success. Create a vision board with images and quotes that inspire you. Keep it somewhere you can see it daily to remind yourself of what you're working towards. Reflect on your journey regularly. Take time to appreciate how far you've come and the progress you've made. This reflection will fuel your motivation and keep you focused on your financial goals. As you achieve your goals, set new ones. Financial planning is an ongoing process, and there's always room for growth and improvement. Stay optimistic and keep pushing forward. With clear financial goals and a solid plan, you'll feel empowered to take on new challenges and confidently manage your finances. Your future is in your hands, and with the right approach, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Investing doesn't require you to be rich. It's about making your money work smarter, not harder. The key is to create a budget that allows you to invest consistently. Track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. That daily latte might seem small, but it adds up over time. Automate your savings and investments. Treat them like any other bill that needs to be paid on time. Remember, consistency is key. Even small, regular investments can lead to significant wealth over time.